What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be learning about what is JavaScript. Now that Alejandra has her website looking polished, she's realized that she wants to make the site more interactive. Now she would like to build a shopping cart feature that allows her users to buy travel packages directly from her website. To accomplish this, Alejandra is going to need to learn JavaScript. Any website that provides more than just static information probably utilizes JavaScript in some way. Here are some familiar examples of what website features most often built with JavaScript. So pop-up ads, for example, animated graphics, interactive audio and video, maps and other features, access the user's geographic location, and much more. Now, one of the defining features of JavaScript is its ability to respond to browser events. These events happen in real time and can be triggered by a wide variety of user interactions, including the user clicking on a button, the user pressing enter on their keyboard, a video file finishing loading, the user resizing their window, the user hovering over text on the web page. Now, one of the classic browser events that JavaScript can respond to is the position of the mouse. When a user puts the mouse near an HTML element, the on mouse over event is fired. Now hover over the text in the browser to see how it responds to the on mouse over event. Once you have observed the effects of the on mouse over, click the run button to move on to the next chapter. That is so cool. That's actually cool. So you're probably wondering, how did they do this? Well, they probably have like a bubbles.html right here. So all of this code allowed me to basically do this. It keeps bouncing up and down. So let's go ahead and run it. Okay, now what else is happening here? JavaScript uses functions which are reusable blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. drawTask is a function that is being run on line 2. Change the text that says hello world to JavaScript. To pass a different value, check out the browser to see what changed. One of the benefits of functions are that it's reusable. The drawText function allows us to take advantage of the reusability of functions because it can render any input text without us needing to rewrite the logic of the function. Confused? Don't worry, we'll cover more functions thoroughly in the next exercise. So again, it does the same thing, but it's actually so cool. It bounces up and down. It's very nice to play with. But yeah, that's gonna end this video. What is JavaScript? Yeah, it's going crazy. But yeah, that's gonna end the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this.